Hello everyone, welcome to the another video on tax. So today we are going to see how we can convert the number format or the value format from a particular value. So here is the sales data, which contains sales data for various years, and also the profit data. So I will quickly explain you the issue, and then we will move ahead to the solution for that issue. So I will grab one data card over here, and I will track the profit data into it. So if you notice, the value which we are getting, it is in the summarized format, and it is giving us the data label as in a K format, in thousand format. But similarly, if I'm dragging a table into it, and I'm dragging the same profit data into it, so you can notice that the data which we are getting, or the value which we are getting, it is not in a summarized form. So what might happen, that user might not like it, or if we have larger data, it won't be convenient to read it in that way. So to fix this issue, I do have one simple trick, so that only I am going to show you today. So for that we need to create one measure. I will quickly create one measure. I will give the name of that measure as value format. I will declare one variable. I will give the name as format. And what we need to do is we need to calculate the sum of the profit. So here is the profit from orders table, and then we need to return this. Oh, I missed to close this bracket. Yeah, but if we are simply returning it, nothing will change. It will still show us in this format only. So for that we need to make use of conditions. So for condition I will choose switch condition. So very first condition I will put is true, and then I will take the output, I mean the variable which we have declared, which is format, and I will give one condition, like if the format is greater than 1000, because we want to represent k if it is greater than 1000, and if the format is less than 1 lakh, 10 lakh, which is 1 million, and if it is matching, then only I want to then I will divide the output, like the variable data, by 1000, else I will return it as it is. So let's see. So we are getting a desired output, but we are unable to get this key. So for that what we need to do is, like we can use concat function, concatenate this value by key. The key should be caps. Let's check the code once again. So we are doing switch, we have applied the condition, we are doing the concatenate over here. Oh, I missed to add the comma over here. Now let's check now. Yeah, we are getting the desired output, but there is one problem. So if you observe, this value has only two decimals, but this have more than two. So let's fix this out. So for that we can use round condition. You just need to, yeah, here we go. We have got the desired output. If you want, you can add the currency value as well in front of it. So this is it. If you guys have any questions and doubts, please comment below. Also, if you want any video on specific topic, you can comment below, and I will try to make the next video on that particular topic. So for now, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please like and share as much as possible. Thank you.